What's going on, guys? It is your boy, Mr. Nolan, one more time. This time we're going to do some mode practice problems. Now remember, the mode represents the data or the numbers that repeat the most. Notice how mode starts with MO, most starts with MO. There are three types of modes to remember. The first one is no mode. That means no numbers repeat. If you have no mode, do not write the number 0. 0 is a number, so that is a mode. If your answer is no mode, you actually write no mode. The second option is one mode. That's one number that repeats the most. And the third option is more than one mode. That's where more than one number repeat the same amount of times. So let's do a couple of examples. This first one we have 0, 3, 7, 8, 12, 15, and 22. Well, if you look at the numbers there, no numbers repeat. So there is no mode here because no numbers repeat. Notice how I wrote no mode. The next one, we have a 1, a 1, a 4, a 5, a 7, a 7, a 7, 8, 8, and a 9. Well, you're going to say the 1 and the 8 repeats twice, but the 7 repeats 3 times. So what number repeated the most? 7. So there was one mode. And now if you look at here, we got 2, 2, 2, 9, 9, 9, 15, 15, and 8. Well, the 2 repeats 3 times, and the 9 repeats 3 times. So 2 and 9 are both modes because these two numbers repeat the most, and they repeat the same amount of times. There's multiple modes. All right, here's 3 example problems I want you to try on your own. So students, parents, please pause the video and try these on your own. I am about to solve them, so that way when you're done, you can check your answers. So pause the video now, please. All right, here we go. Number 1, Dana spends a few days at her grandparents' house every summer. In May, she spent 3 days. In June, she spent 6 days. In July, she spent 5 days. And in August, she spent 2 days. What is the mode? Well, guys, do any of these numbers repeat? No numbers repeat, so this is no mode. Done. That's literally all you do. Number 2, Charlie goes to sleep at different times and wakes up at different times. This week he kept track of his bedtime and wake up times, and here's what he found. On Monday, Charlie slept for 6 hours. On Tuesday, 4 hours. On Wednesday, 7 hours. Thursday, 7 hours. Friday, 6 hours. Saturday, 6 hours. Sunday, 6 hours. So what was the mode? Well, guys, what number repeats the most here? Well, the 6. It repeats 4 times. So your mode is 6, and you can put hours if you want. You don't have to. So the mode was he kept sleeping 6 hours most of the time. Last one. The apartments in a building rent for the following amounts per month. We have $775, we have $550, we have $900, we have $550, we have $775, we have $900, we have $550, we have $900, and we have $775.
I wish I found out where these apartments were when we were younger. Cheap.
All right, so let's see. We have 1, 2, 3 775s, 1, 2, 3 550s, and 1, 2, 3 900s. Well, guys, all 3 of these numbers are your mode because they all repeat the same amount of times. So your mode is 775, 550, and 900. Of course, I should probably put money signs with all these because we're dealing with money. Now, does it matter what order you put those numbers? Does it have to be from least to greatest? No. It doesn't matter what order you actually put these in. Alright guys, I hope these videos help. If you got them all good, you're allowed to move on to the next activity or the homework. Talk to you soon.